Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to break a line without removing a section at a point using the easy method. This is a great way to slice your lines cleanly on your current setup so you can split your shapes apart without making a messy hole. Step 1. Locate the Modify panel in your main tool strip. The first step is to bring your mouse pointer up to your top menu area and find the specific group of editing tools that handles shifting, erasing, and changing your lines. Look at the large button panel at the very top of your screen, find the section that says Home, and look directly to the right to find the box labeled Modify. Move your eyes to the tiny downward arrow sitting right next to the word Modify and click on it once with your mouse to drop down the hidden rows of extra tools. Because the standard screen layout hides the special splitting button to keep your workspace clean, you have to open this extra drawer of options so you can find the exact cutting tool you need. Without this step, you would only see the regular break button, which always cuts out a giant chunk of your line by mistake. Step 2. Choose the Break at Point tool from the hidden list. Next, you need to pick the exact variation of the cutting tool that is specifically designed to slice data at a single spot without leaving a gap. Scan the small grid of icons that just dropped down, locate the button that looks like a single line with a tiny white space right in the middle, and click on it once with your mouse. Hover your cursor over the icon for a second to read the small help text tag and confirm that it says Break at Point before you click. Because there are two different break buttons sitting right next to each other in the panel, clicking the standard one will force you to pick two separate points, which deletes the line segment between your clicks. Choosing this specific point cutting tool tells the software engine that you want a clean slice with zero empty space left behind. Step 3. Click on the specific line you want to cut. Now that your mouse pointer has turned into a small target box, you need to select the long line or shape that you want to split apart. Move your cursor over to your main drawing board canvas, place your target box directly over the line you want to slice, and click your main mouse button once. Watch the line change its look slightly, becoming dashed or brighter to show that the software has successfully highlighted it. This is the most important part because the computer needs to know exactly which object you are targeting before it asks where you want to cut. Move your pointer to the precise intersection or point where you want the cut to go, click your mouse button one last time, and then move your cursor away. Test your work by clicking on just one half of the line to verify that it lights up by itself while the other half stays completely still. Once you complete this final click, your long path is instantly split into a left side and a right side. And that's it. To break a line without removing a section at a point, you must first click the small arrow on your Modify panel to see your hidden tools. Then you select the specific Break at Point icon from the button rows. Next, you click on the long line you want to target on your screen canvas. And finally, you click the exact spot where you want the cut to happen to separate the pieces without leaving a gap. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.